Hindi iyan sapat. It is not enough. Nandito pa rin ako. I am still here. Susundan ko siya. I will go after her. Ipinaglaban ko iyon. I fought for it. Hindi ko to kayang mag-isa. I can't do this alone. Pagod na akong makinig. I'm tired of listening. Hindi ko iyon kaya. I can't do it. Kaya ko na ito. I got this. Hindi na mahalaga. It doesn't matter. Makinig ka sa akin. Listen to me. Kailangan ko ng tulong. I need help. Ginawa ko ito para sa'yo. I made this for you. Subukan natin ito. Let's try this. Alam kong mangyayari ito. I know this would happen. Baliwala iyan sa akin. It's nothing for me. Hindi ito pangkaraniwan. This is unusual. Handa ka na ba? Are you ready? Hinintay mo ba ako? Did you wait for me? Ano ang masasabi mo? What can you say? Kaya kong gawin iyon. I can do that. Susundan ko siya. I will follow him. Baka umulan bukas. It might rain tomorrow. Pwedeng magtanong? Can I ask something? Pupunta ako roon. I will go there. Pagod ka yata. You must be tired. Nagagalit ka na naman. You're getting mad again. Nandito pa rin siya. He is still here. Mag-isa lang siya. He is alone. Huwag kang magkakamali. Don't make mistake. Anong sabi niya? What did he say? Alam mo ba ang dahilan? Do you know the reason? Ako ang kumuha niyan. I took it. Bakit mo tinatanong? Why did you ask? Hindi ko talaga alam. I really don't know. Iniwan ko sa kanya. I left it to her. Kakaiba ang isang ito. This one looks different. Sabihan mo ako. Inform me. Kakasabi ko lang. I just said. Mayroon na ako niyan. I already have it. Pareho ba tayo? Are we the same? Umuwi ka na. Go home now. Nakakalito naman ito. This one is confusing. Gawin mo muna. Do it first. Kukunin mo ba ito? Will you take this? Hindi ko pa nakikita. I haven't seen it yet. Ilang kopya ba? How many copies?